So now you can see the different components used to make A plus, B plus, A minus, B minus cylinder sequencing. First system is called FRL unit. This input of FRL unit is high pressure compressed air. From compressor it's supplied to a distribution block. From distribution block we can see here number of pipes that are connected with different components to actuate these two cylinders. First cylinder we name it as A, second cylinder we name it as B. Now for A plus, B minus, A plus, B plus, A minus, B minus, we require that input should be from the information that cylinder B has retracted. This information we are receiving from the close connection of limit switches. These limit switches are closed. This means air is passing through it and making circuit to actuate another 5/2 control valve. So again we can see here cylinder B position limit switch, and we have connected it from 5/2 control valve pneumatically actuated. So B minus is indicating that actuate this control valve. So we have taken output from this control valve connected with cylinder A. This means now this cylinder will move forward A plus. When this is a move forward, limit switch of extended position of A has been closed, and now it's ready to give information to another control valve to actuate it. Now we can see the connection from distribution block. Here for actuation of this control valve, the task is actuate B. Here it's coming and going to B, and it's B plus position. When B plus position has been achieved, the information should be given from this limit switch to actuate another control valve to retard cylinder A. Now this is closed from distribution valve, again passing through and actuating this position of control valve. This means from here. Now this should retract. When this should retract, information that this has been retracted. Now to actuate another control valve so that cylinder B can come its minus position. Yes, here we can see actuation, and from here now this should come back, and again when this is reached this minus position, information pass through B minus position and now move it. So this is making complete sequence. It will move like this.